Hi everyone, this is David this morning again. Just like I said yesterday, that US dollar peak its momentum. You can see what's happening in the market right now. US dollar is taking its move, and there's nothing to block it. And this is just like a major breakout. And US dollar is so sweet to trade right now, especially in the seven currency pair of a thing, of trading system. But I could say this is really gonna be a good stuff. You could just this is I'm not trying to like tell anybody to like follow my system, but this is what I do for a living. This is what I know how to do best, and it's working for me. I thank God for that. But US dollar is really trending the market right now. So let's go ahead and see other currencies. Let's look at US dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, we could see it right here when the US dollar form a pin bar here. It jumps up from this very point from 1.3035 to it jumps from here and it came down. This is like almost this is like anyway, this is a very very great movement from USD Canadian dollar, and this the market is going in favor of US dollar right now. Let's go to USD Japanese yen. We could see USD picking up its momentum, trying to like pull the reversal back, going back up. I'm a daily trader. This is what I do, and it's really taking a positive shape. So go back to euro, Canadian dollar. You could see Canadian dollar too is picking momentum against euro, and it has begun since last week. And this began last week Thursday, I think, kind of, yeah, last week Thursday, and it pulled up to this point from here. It pulls down again because it was able to break the resistance here and at this very point. And look at it now, the market is really taking a good shape. This is a good time to like make a living. This is what I do, this is what I know how to do best. And I'm not trying to like tell anybody to follow my trading pattern, but I just I could train people. I train people. It's not that I could train people. I train people to do this, but this is what I do for a living. And if you really want to trade, if you really want to trade and make money, you have to calculate. There's a mathematical calculation for the forex market that many people are failing to understand. You get it? That many people lack the understanding. And if you really know the understanding of this, you will never lose in the forex market. You will never, not even for once, you will never lose in the forex market if you know the calculative mathematical statistics and all that. If you really understand the market, you're definitely not going to lose. And it's really, the market is really, it's a really sweet trading system right now. This is swinging, and I promise you, as this is gonna reverse, because this is not gonna go far. When it gets to this very point, that my mouse is, it's definitely gonna reverse, because the strength to move down is not enough. That is Great Britain, pound, Swiss franc. Swiss francs don't really have the strength to pull it down much more. You get it? Not because of the economic factor and all that, not because of the news. I'm not telling you not to trade the news for you that trade news. But I don't trade news. Before I trade news, I don't trade news. That's just one thing about me. You get it? You have to check the market, you have to look at the statistic, because this market is definitely gonna reverse. So if I want to trade this market now, for example, I'll just do like this. I'm just gonna go buy, and it's gonna be a buy limit. You get it? So I'm gonna enter a stop loss and a take profit. So I just leave my take profit at 150. So that's what it's gonna be. I'm gonna go, that's a buy limit. And once it gets to this point, it's definitely going to reverse. It is what I know. This is what I've been doing for quite some time now, because this market is definitely going to get to this point. So it's definitely going to reverse from this point, So when this hit this, it comes down to this, and then you take the take profit up a bit. You get it. So that is it. And before you know what's going on, when the market hits this very point, it's gonna start going back up because Swiss francs don't have the power to push this down right now. Great Britain pound is trying to like forge its momentum together, but when it gets to this point against Swiss francs, it's definitely gonna reverse. I promise you. So I've been doing this for more than a decade now, And let's go to I'm coming. Let's see AUD. Let's see New Zealand USD. Now, New Zealand USD, US dollar is really gaining momentum. It's really taking shape. It's really taking effect. And this is a very good thing because it has broken out and it will definitely get to this point before it bounces back. It's a lower low kind of thing because it has already formed a lower low right up from this point. You can see it. It's already formed a lower low right up from this point. It can't go this way, it just have to go like this. And before it reverses, it's definitely going to hit something. It's definitely going to hit something like this. So when it hits this point, which is the resistance point here, that the take profit is definitely going to bounce back up. So this is why you have to wait for the take profit here. This is what I do for a living anyway. And it's been a long time. I had lots and lots of experience on this when it comes to this. I'm still learning. I'm not saying I'm that perfect or anything, but I'm still learning. But from my more than a decade experience, I could show you things that will really make you navigate perfectly in this forex market. You get it? So this is all for today, and I hope to see you guys. If you really like my video, you could just put a thumbs up on YouTube. You can follow me on YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram, and you can follow me on Facebook as well. Have a good one, everyone, and let's have a good trade. This is gonna be a wonderful weekend, so let's enjoy us trading. Bye.